Golden syrup is a delicious condiment for fruits and ice cream, porridge and pancakes, and is the magic ingredient to create tasty treats from flapjacks to toffee apples, to treacle tarts and treacle puddings. Golden syrup is key to adding texture and colour during the baking of biscuits and pastries. It's also used for glazes for meats and in chutneys and stir-fries. Professional food producers use golden syrup not just for its taste, but because it can withstand higher baking temperatures and is used as a humectant to reduce crystallization. Golden syrup has a proud heritage as the world's oldest branded food product, loved by generations. It was formulated by our company founder, Charles Eastick, in 1883, when he was working as a chemist at the Plaistow Wharf refinery in London and experimenting with the sugar refining process. Since then, little has changed in the recipe for the golden elixir. Golden syrup is made from nature's natural sweetener, sugar. At Ragus, we source sugar for our golden syrups from Africa, the Caribbean, Asia, the Pacific, and Europe, before processing it at our world-class production facility in the UK. We create golden syrups in large inversion pans which can hold over 25 tons of finished syrup. Sugar crystals are dissolved with water and heated. During this process, 64% of the total sugar needed is added to create a sugar saturation. We add a small amount of aqueous solution to reduce the pH value to a maximum of 1.6. Once all the sugar crystals are dissolved and the temperature remains above 70 degrees, the sucrose will invert into glucose and fructose. When the desired ratio of sucrose to glucose is achieved, to a polarization of -14, we neutralize the syrup with a natural alkaline agent, bringing its pH value to between 6 and 6.5. The syrup is then caramelized using heat and time to gain the desired color and flavor. The remaining 36% of the sugar is then added to produce a partial invert. When all the sugar crystals have dissolved, the bricks, or density of sucrose in a solution, will be to a maximum 83% with a polarization of +20. An alkaline powder is then added to bind all of the non-sugar particles and the stirrers are turned off. The syrup is subsequently passed through a plate and frame filter press to ensure it's as pure as possible. From here, the syrup is pumped to our maturation tanks. When finished, the golden syrup passes through a final filter before being packed to customers' requirements for delivery. Eastick's, our founder's golden syrup, has a sweetness value that's 20% higher than table sugar, and with its distinctive mellow flavor, natural yellow hue, and inherent preservative qualities, it's the classic choice from the Ragus range of golden syrups. All manufactured and crafted for use by food industry professionals.